One city, one building, many apartments, and many residents. Meet Leon and Billy. They love listening to loud music. The bass is thumping quite strongly. And it goes straight to the ears of Mia, their neighbor who would rather be sleeping, because she has to go to school early next morning. Leon and Billy mostly work from home, but there is a piercing sound disturbing both of them. The neighbor's child is practicing on a recorder. Geselbau has mandatory rest periods. In the afternoon, rest periods apply from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. At night, it must be quiet between 8 p.m. and 7 a.m. A moderate household noise level must be observed at these times. On Sundays, rest periods are in force all day long. Hammering, drilling, or assembling furniture, for example, are not allowed during rest periods. Playing music is not allowed either. But 2 to 3 hours per day are all right in the remaining time. Music played at a domestic listening level is also all right. But you need to be considerate to your neighbors. Many everyday activities cause some noise. The spin cycle of your washing machine, furniture being moved around, or playing children. But all of this is temporary and a part of life. Everybody makes some noise from time to time. And everybody is affected by noise at times. What matters is to be considerate to each other and not disturb other people. And to be tolerant when there is more noise next door sometimes. When you feel disturbed, the best idea is to talk to your neighbor. This often helps to find a compromise solution. But if a conversation does not help, please feel free to contact the arbitration office. Mediators are available there to help you free of charge and in confidence. Thank you for being considerate. Together, we can make a difference.